everybody. I hope you guys had a great spring break. So now that we're back, it's going to be a little bit different for the next 3 weeks because we are SBAC testing. And I'm not exactly sure how that's going to go because we've never SBAC tested in virtual world. So I did not do the entire week of weekly slides. And the reason for that is because I know a lot of you use the weekly slides as a checklist of every single thing you have to do for the whole week. And many of you work ahead, which is awesome because that's exactly what the weekly slides are for. However, I'm not sure how far we're going to get with the instructional aspect of the weekly slides. So I made slides for Monday and the Tuesday. That's what you're watching right now. And then hopefully by Tuesday, I'll have a better idea and I'll have slides for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday all at the same time. And then after this week, I should have a better grasp on how much to assign the following week. I just didn't want you to feel completely overwhelmed, okay? The number one thing that we are keeping, no matter what, is 45 minutes of iReady reading. So I just want to go over the slides with you just so that you understand that it's not for the entire week, that it's only for Monday. And I also wanted to go over testing with you really, really fast because I do not want this video to be 10 minutes long. So let's get started. So we're on the wrong page. So this is our calendar for this week. We are testing on the 22nd and 23rd. That's Monday and Tuesday. And then we're going to test again on Friday. And that's the math SBAC testing. The following week, you can see next week, we're testing Monday and Tuesday for ELA. And then again, Friday for ELA. And then the third and final week, we are testing Tuesday for ELA. We do not have to test for science, I don't believe. I believe that's only 8th grade, okay? This is our testing, the schedule for the time. You are supposed to log into your testing class, and we are going by our homeroom. So University of Hawaii is going to go to Mr. Melendrez, and Sac State is coming to me. And you're logging in between 7:45 and 8 o'clock, and then from 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock, we're testing, and then from 10 to 10:30 is our office time. And then lunch is 10:30 to 11. So your lunch is actually 10 to 11. And then we do periods. 11:05 to 11:50 is first period. 11:55 to 12:40 is second. 12:45 to 1:30 is third. And a fourth period is 1:35 to 2:20. I know this is overwhelming. I know this is a lot. But honestly, guys, we'll walk you through it just like we always have. The important thing that you know is on Monday and Tuesday and Friday, at 7:45, University of Hawaii needs to log in with Mr. Melendrez. And Sac State needs to log in with me. That's the important thing. And then we'll take it from there. Once we let go at 10 o'clock, we will tell you, go to this teacher at 11:05. So don't freak out too much about the schedule. And plus, now you have it if you need it, okay? The checklist, this is Sac State's checklist. This still happens to be Sac State's slideshow. It doesn't have really anything because I'm not quite sure what we're going to get done. So, but the two things we are definitely finishing this week is the 45 minutes of iReady reading. Don't start that today, by the way, because it won't count. The week doesn't start until I believe Sunday, or actually I believe Monday. And then inquiry, complete your reflection of third quarter and make a plan for fourth, which we're doing an inquiry class together. Humanities, we're going to start grapesing the Greek Empire, ancient Greek civilization. But I don't know how far we're going to get because, again, I'm not sure how shortened the classes are. So I hope this helps, and I hope it helps you feel better. The important thing is, because I'm sending this out to you, this video is going to be located right here. It's black right now, but when it turns blue, you know it'll be hyperlinked. It's actually going to be green. The important thing is Monday morning, 7:45, University of Hawaii, log in with Mr. Melendrez. Sac State, log in with me, okay? And then we're going to go through and help you every step of the way from that point. So if this feels like a lot, and if this feels like it's too much for you, and oh my goodness, I'm still in spring break, take out of this whole video, Monday morning, 7:45, if you are in University of Hawaii, log in with Mr. Melendrez. Monday morning, 7:45. If you are in Sac State, log in with Miss Brown. From that point forward, the teacher will tell you where to go next, okay? I hope you guys are having a great spring break. I've had a wonderful spring break. I actually took a break and took a few days off, but as you can see, I'm back at it. I can't wait to see you guys on Monday, and I can't wait to hear all about Monday or Tuesday. Sorry, Monday and Tuesday. Wait to hear about all the cool things you guys have done. Have a great rest of your break. Bye.